Hi, and welcome to the Hamilton Dataflow Hub. Very quickly, I'm going to show you how you can pull a Dataflow, run it, and then modify it. So first is find a Dataflow. You can hit Command K or search box, and you can kind of type in a bunch of keywords. And we want the text summarization, but we want it from DAGWorks. 2. On this page, you'll see code to cut and paste, a little more information around configuration, what it does, and limitations, and obviously the source code. To get started, we want to cut and paste some code here that will pull things dynamically for us. And then run this code. So what it's doing is it's importing some Hamilton modules, pulling the flow, saving it locally, building a graph, and then displaying functions. And then if I want to, say, summarize a PDF, with this configuration, it takes some more text, but you can see here that there's an option here to read from PDFs. We're just going to change some configuration to enable that. Rebuild things, we see here raw text now popped up. Now to execute it, we just need to specify what outputs we want. Now with Hamilton, you don't have to run everything to get something, right? And so if we wanted only to run summarize chunks, we could just do that. So why don't we just do that, summarize chunks. And then we're going to provide it the right inputs. If you don't pass any inputs and you execute it, Hamilton will tell you what you need. So we need an LLM name. And then we want to pass in the PDF source, which is the path to, it can be a path to a PDF. And so why don't we do that? And we can see here that things are running. We will then get a dictionary with a bunch of keys that correspond to the outputs. It will just be one, which is just summarize chunks. Right? We see that finished. To display it better, we want to print it, and we can kind of see these are the bunch of chunks from the paper on Hamilton that was submitted to VLDB. Now, to modify it, right, we then want to copy this code. So we just need to pass in the module to the copy command and then provide a path. So local here, and we see now we have a directory that has text summarization kind of module in it. And so we can then go ahead and modify some code here. And so what I'm going to do here is under the PDF option, I'm just going to raise value error. Just to show you that indeed that I modified something. And so then to import it from local import summarization is TS2. So then this is the second summarization module. We then can cut and paste this part again, except we want to pass in the text summarization module 2. We'll see here that everything kind of looks the same, and then but when I go to run it, this will now error. Oops. Yeah, I need to update this one as well, and then we'll see here. Oh, we got an error hitting our high, and so. Very briefly, that's how easy it is to pull something from the hub, download it, run it, and then copy it and then modify it locally for your needs. Thanks for listening.